What is cybersecurity? Well, cybersecurity means protecting computers, networks, and data from attacks. So, to put it in simple words, it's like having a security guard for your computer. Yeah, it's a funny analogy. Let's analyze some key vocabulary. The first one is threat. Threat is anything that can harm your devices. And not only your devices, but also networks and data. For example, a virus is a threat that can harm your data. Perfect. The next word is hacker. Hacker is a person who breaks into systems. Let's use the word hacker in a sentence. A hacker may steal private information. Perfect. Let's move on to the next vocabulary. Firewall. A firewall is a defense system for your networks. Let's use the word firewall in a sentence. A firewall blocks dangerous connections. Perfect. Let's continue. The next word is vulnerability. Yes, it's a little bit long, so let's repeat it. Vulnerability. Sorry, I'm stressing it a little. Vulnerabilities are weaknesses that hackers or threat actors may exploit or may use against a system or a network. Now, let's use it in a sentence. Old software may have vulnerabilities. Perfect. Here are some everyday cyber examples. The first one is phishing email. And these are emails that trick you into clicking a malicious link that would execute a malware on your device or that could take you to a bugged or spooked website where the moment you introduce your private information, then these threat actors would be able to steal your data. The next example is strong passwords. These are passwords that are very long, usually between 8 and 16 characters. They should always include numbers and letters and symbols. Perfect. Here's a practice challenge. I want you to match the definitions with the words on the next video. So now that you know the basics, hit like, subscribe, and I want you to leave a comment below with the word hacker. So I want you to use the word hacker in a sentence. Perfect. Remember to always stay cyber smart, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.